A world of mysteries, where reality and fantasy interweave. Every day, a battle begins. A war in which only the strongest emerge alive. In this ruthless world, there is only one rule: hunt or be hunted. From nature's hidden deceptions to battles that alter the fate of a species. Moments you've never witnessed. Secrets concealed deep within the wilderness. Subscribe now and witness the untold stories of the animal kingdom. The secret of survival. This male bird of paradise has become obsessed with cleanliness to find a girlfriend. He carefully cleans the fallen leaves from the ground. He even pulls out the roots of annoying weeds. Using a snake's shed skin that he found, he constantly wipes and cleans his home. If a fresh leaf falls to the ground, he quickly picks it up. After all, no lady wants to fall in love in a messy place, especially today, since it's his blind date. Once everything is ready, he begins his courtship display, taking advantage of the moment when no one is around. He practices a little to perfect his final performance. Perfect. Just as he's about to continue rehearsing, his date suddenly arrives earlier than expected, afraid of being late. Seeing this, the male bird quickly straightens himself and adjusts his posture. With focus and without rushing, he bows to the female bird and says hello. Then his courtship dance begins. By shaking his beautiful antennas to attract more attention. It's clear that a female bird is completely happy and satisfied. Her wings are trembling with excitement. Dancing madly, here and there, showing every art he can have. Sensing the perfect moment, the clever male seizes the opportunity without hesitation. 1, 2, 3, done.